In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to convert an MOV to an MP4. So all you need to do is head over to the Start menu on your computer and then just search for Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store app, and in the search box at the top, just type in VLC Player and hit enter. Then from here on the left hand side, click on VLC, and you'll need to go ahead and install the VLC Media Player to your computer. Once you do have this installed, simply head over to your Start menu, search for VLC Media Player, and then open up the application. Once you're running VLC Media Player, click on Media in the top left hand side, click on Convert and Save, and then from here you can just add your MOV file. So to do this, click on the Add button like so, and from your files, locate your MOV file. Mine's this one here, so I'm going to double click on this. Once you've added your file to convert, click on Convert and Save. Come over to the Profile drop down and make sure you have this H.264 one selected. It should say MP4 in brackets. So once you've clicked that, then head over to the settings icon next to it, come over to the audio codec, and make sure you select Keep Original Audio Track. This is going to greatly improve your audio quality. Then we can click on Save. Come down to Destination File and hit Browse, and then just select the folder of where you want to save this new MP4 file. I'm going to save it in my desktop. You can give your file a name, but just make sure at the end of the file name you change this to the extension of .mp4. Make sure the file type is set to MP4 down here as well, and then you can go ahead and click Save. And finally, click the Start button to convert your file. And just like that, we've now converted our MOV file to MP4 format. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.